scared the fuck. What the hell? Glowing seats? Bruh, this place is wild. Yo, what the fuck? The Giant Gundam Statue in Yokohama. I'm not even a fan of Gundam whatsoever, but it seemed like a place I didn't want to miss out on during my journey throughout all of Japan. Even more so since it got permanently shut down the end of the month I was there in Japan, so I just had to visit it. As you saw in my previous video, I explored Kamakura and had a lot of fun there. Check out that video if you haven't already. But I had to leave as, like I said, because I wanted to see more things, these day trips turned into more like half-day trips. But I definitely do not regret that one bit. My journey throughout Japan was just a taste of each city anyway. I was never going to do and see everything I wanted to. And after a packed train ride back to Kamakura Station from Hase Station, then another packed train ride, a little bit over 30 minutes, and we arrived at Yokohama Station. Unfortunately, since I didn't have all the time in the world in the city, I headed straight to the main event, the Gundam Factory. And to do that, you're going to have to take another train for 10 minutes. What am I saying? Why am I saying this like it's a guide? No one's going to visit this place anymore. Oh, it's permanently closed. One thing I will say though is that Google Maps was my savior throughout Japan. If you didn't already know, man, it's one of the must-have and one of the must-use apps if you ever do visit.
Oh, thank you for riding with us today.
I feel so tired. Oh my god. The one thing you're going to have to get used to in Japan, especially in the big cities, is the huge train stations that feel like they take forever to get to and get out of. Hell. It's full. I need to recharge my shit. My Pasmo.
Guidance will be displayed in English.
Oh man. Takes it out of you. I don't know if I'll make it in time. Like, we'll see. We'll see. All I needed to do left was walk like 10 minutes to get to the place. Most likely gonna miss a little bit of the startup, unfortunately. Because there's nowhere to get across unless I walk further down. This is what I meant. There was a set schedule for the Gundam show. This looks nice, whatever that is. I love those things on the trees that Japan and Korea do. Looks like it's burning up. But yeah, I won't be able to see any of Yokohama, to be honest with you. Can always come back on my next trip, but the Gundam is going a ways. I definitely have to see it. So what is that thing? It's like a ship. Damn, bro. Bro, look at this place. That's where the Ferris wheel is, and the most popular Marina Bay Sands look like. We get to those surrounding elements in a little bit, don't worry, but we had to catch the main event first. Luckily, I made it just in time for the startup show. I found it funny how you didn't even have to buy a ticket and actually go inside to view the statue. Obviously inside looked way better, which I'll get to in a little bit, but still unsure of the procedures how to get out inside. I just stood outside to watch for the meanwhile, since I didn't want to miss out on whatever this was. Okay, inside we go. So I paid through Klook and they gave me a QR code, so I just had to give it to the staff to scan. And for both this and the Marine Tower, which I unfortunately didn't end up going to, they both costed like 31 Australian dollars together in like a bundle. None of this matters because you can't visit this place anymore, but one interesting thing I found was that this place costed differently depending on the time and the day. For example, weekends and holidays costed more than weekdays, and entry after 5 PM costed more as well. Inside was a vibe though, but honestly, despite it being a Saturday, there didn't really feel like there were a whole lot of people, or as much as I was expecting. So I wanted to take out my selfie stand tripod thing, but then for some reason security told off people who were thinking the exact same thing as me. So I just waited for the most part, since for a good half an hour or so, the whole Gundam statue was in standby mode and nothing was happening. It still looked pretty spectacular though. So I just decided to grab a bite to eat. I saw many food trucks, but they just served simple stuff. So I went upstairs, a kind of building, and saw a Gundam cafe which looked very enticing. And you had views of the Giant Gundam as well. Food wise, they had a bunch of interesting options. Definitely not the cheapest, as you would imagine. Generally, these tourist attractions add a bit more to their prices, obviously. As soon as you order, you were handed a ticket, which you handed to the staff to pay. Then I waited a while, finally got my food, and then went to sit down, and it was alright. It was pretty good. I ordered a hot dog with some fries. Probably would have preferred to eat in the actual city, but I didn't really have a choice as I was stressed for time. But soon after, the main event started. Which I guess was mainly just a light show plus story or something. I didn't really understand what was going on, to be honest. But just being there was pretty awesome. And as you saw, there were people on top next to the Gundam as well. Those require special tickets, but I heard from others how it wasn't really worth it. Now I actually heard this place was due to close earlier, but then got extended. So I'm really glad I was able to experience it before it shut down for good. After, I wanted to buy a souvenir to remember the place at the shop, but unfortunately that place closed before I could get anything. At least I have these video clips. And that's a wrap. I wish I could have got to go and buy like a souvenir, but the shop closed before the Gundam closed for some reason. That's one thing I'm bummed out about. I'm just going to use my action cam because I can't be bothered getting out my big camera. But you see that thing there? Hopefully you can see it. It's the Marine Tower. Now my ticket that I booked did include the Marine Tower and I can go up it, but I just really cannot be bothered. And it's nighttime, so you can't really see it too clearly, and it's just like, I've been up so many observatories, I don't need to do it. The Gundam was the most important thing. Yes, I kind of wasted a little bit of money, but still. I'm just going to take some pictures from outside and then head off. Yeah, just being there was good enough for me. Honestly, just walking through here, it's like one of the best areas I've been to since landing in Japan. Like, it feels like I'm in Singapore, except it's really cold. It's like 2 degrees maybe. It's way colder here than... I was just doing shit. What is that? What is that? That thing became the souvenir I got from the city. But yeah, I went during winter and it's a portside city, so I was cold. Everything adds up if you think about it like that. It takes a while to get there, eh? Notice I'm wearing my winter kind of... It's cold today. It takes a while to get there. I'm walking along this straight along. The route to the Ferris wheel and arguably the most iconic part of Yokohama was a very scenic walk. Cool thing is, I think we're right, like the pier is right next to the international airport because I keep seeing planes flying down that way. But before getting to the area we were getting to, I had to buy some of the essentials and take care of a major pressing issue. Oh, my hands. Yeah, I finally bought some skin cream. My hands got dry to the point of it bleeding. In Japan at least. But eventually, we made it to the place, and even though I didn't record too much in Yokohama, it was just because I didn't do too much. It was still nice to walk around for the very limited amount of time I had. And yeah, sorry if this video wasn't too much. Some videos are going to be like that. I can't have bangers every single video. Since I upload 3 a week, I need videos like this to give me some breathing room. You know what I'm saying? But hey, look, there's the Cup Noodle Museum, another cool tourist attraction in Yokohama I missed. But after passing through the Ferris wheel, which was just like a cool looking amusement park, we headed back home via a station nearby. Bro, scared the fuck, what the hell? Glowing seats? Bruh, this place is wild. Yo, what the fuck? Dude. Jesus. Bro, I should ate here. What am I doing? Oh my god. Bro, honestly, that clip makes this video. That clip makes it. Platform 2. I really need to go to the toilet though, but fuck it, dude. Wait, is it already here? Shit. Well, that's annoying. Why would you close the toilets up? I'm dying for this. Another thing I found interesting in Japan was that there are woman-only carriages in the trains. Man, anime doesn't lie. There actually are gropers in Japan. What the fuck? Nice. They cleaned my room. They vacuumed everything. Bro, this room looked like a pigsty before. Here's the thing, right? I always say do not disturb, right? Oh, Tokyo Tower looks nice today. But yeah, I always tell them not to do it because we're in Japan, it should be fine, but I'm like scared that they will steal something. And because I've got a lot of stuff, I won't realize it until I need it. That's the thing I'm like scared of. I don't know. I mean, I put my laptop and my external hard drive with all my content in the luggage, but like the small shit, like I don't know. I don't know, man. So that's why I always say, but this hotel, I'm here for 7 nights. This hotel, Rem Roppongi, it's great. I mean, the problem is it's a little bit too small for me because the luggage, where are you going to place it? Like, when you open up that big luggage suitcase, it takes up everything. Like, it takes up so much space. But, yeah, it's not the best hotel in terms of space, but the view is fucking spot on. The view is amazing, especially during the day and at night with all the lights off. But yeah, this hotel requires cleaning every 3 to 4 days because of security issues. I don't know. Anyway, I don't know if I put it in the video, but I got this from Yokohama on a random bench. I hope it doesn't have like a tracker in it that tracks me and someone planted it. If so, RIP to me. But yeah, that's it for today. I have a chance to go to Borderless Team Labs. All tickets got sold out, but some tickets came back tomorrow. But I think I want to take it easy, dude. I'm definitely going to Team Labs Tokyo. I might regret it, but here's the thing. Team Labs Tokyo is open until 2027. But Borderless is open forever, pretty much. So if ever I come back, I'll definitely hit it. I really want to take a break. What I want to do tomorrow is wake up 6 a.m. or 5 a.m. to watch the Real Madrid game and catch the sunrise, I mean. And then Shibuya Sky is a definite, because I already bought the ticket tomorrow for around 4 p.m. But just take tomorrow morning off, because the last few days have been fucking hectic. But we'll see where we go. We'll see what happens, dude. I'm gonna use all my 10 yen change for the machine to get a drink, because you can use 10 yen, which is good. And I'll see you tomorrow. Peace. Hope you enjoyed. Like, sub, and comment. Bro, I'm so glad. Dude, this whole thing was full. This thing was fucking, like, full to the brim. I still have so much. And I got 2 drinks. I don't know what this is. I think this is beer, lemon whiskey. I thought it was lemonade. But this is my go-to. But none of them beat that drink that I had in Malaysia. The fruity one, the mango drink with, what is it? Like coconut or jelly pieces inside, or aloe vera. That shit was bomb. But, yeah, dude, I was looking at my bag, and for some reason, I've got like fucking 1 yen. 1 cent. What the fuck am I supposed to do with this? Fucking 1 yen? Okay, buddy. Bro, I think I hear sirens from police, from ambulance. Okay, that's not there. You hear that, right? I hear that at least once a night. All the time. Bruh, it nearly woke me up last night, but look at it. Look at this bitch. Oh. Every night's like different. Well, most of the nights it's like, you know, the orange classic one. But this is the first time I've seen it like this. But I saw another, like, a flashing light like this color, just simpler 2 nights before. Or like yesterday night, and I can't talk anymore. Fuck you.